What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see, it's still looking really nice on a macro time scale, isn't it? On the daily time frame here, you can see ever since we had that crash all the way down to the lows at around 63 cents in July, we've basically been making higher highs and higher lows. You can see here higher high, higher low, etc. Making a really nice uptrend all the way to that recent new all-time high we made at 293. Polygon looking exceptionally good despite the the bearishness that we have seen in the market recently. It's basically just been heading up and up and up and up in the face really of the volatility that we have seen in the market. Looking, it's looking really good, isn't it? Let's be honest. We've seen, some volume returning back to the market as well. And for Polygon as well, still not seeing the volume that we did see back here when we had that crazy run to the upside, but we've been heading up in a nice way here, basically forming what you could only describe as potentially a big cup and then a handle formation like this, where we have come down, now swept the lows, now looking like we want to come back towards that all-time high and get the breakout. But Polygon overall, obviously a quality project. We love Polygon. We do think that it's got a lot of potential in the future. You can see here exactly what's been going on the hourly time frame. As we said before, we've just been heading up and to the right for the most part, haven't we? Making higher highs and higher lows, you can see here on a macro timescale. But the good thing about this price action for Polygon is the fact that it's come down and retested those previous levels every single time that it's come to the upside here. You can see here we come all the way up to the new all-time high. Come back into the range here, form, potentially that head and shoulders pattern that a lot of people were talking about. We reached the target of that, which was back down here around that $2 level, or more, precisely. That 0.78 Fibonacci retracement at 195. We come down here and you can see exactly what happened. We come down, we get the bullish divergences start to form here, and you can see we come down, we double bottom back tested this fib level here along with in and around that $2 level, a very key area of support. And we got the bounce in this area, didn't we, which was no surprise really. Lots of support in this area. And when you look at this yellow trend line that we have drawn in here, every single time that we have come down to this level here, we have actually got the bounce, and you can see here the trend has remained intact as we have bounced both times that we have back tested here in combination with the 0.78, a very key area of support that has held, which is showing us that there's still a good amount of Polygon demand for Polygon in these demand areas, which is really good to see. Clearly Polygon, it's got a lot of interest from investors, hasn't it? Despite the market volatility that we have been seeing for Bitcoin, Polygon has just been continuously going up and up and up, which is very interesting to see. So you can see here we came down, we formed that W double bottom, looking something like this. We've double bottomed and we basically come up, we break this area here of resistance, reversing the trend that we had been in for a while. You can see here we're making lower lows and lower highs on this micro time scale, but once we broke this trend, we come back up, and as you can see here, Polygon it's been doing really well, hasn't it? It's actually been flying, to be honest, up around 25% over the past day or so, which is really good to see. A really strong pickup off the lows, and you can see here we're coming up to that area that we said we would be targeting at the bottom of the previous support of the range. Now it turned into resistance at 242, so currently at around 240, getting stuck under this previous resistance here of the range bottom, getting lost. But you can see what's happened here. We formed this curved bottom, haven't we? We've come down and we've kind of formed, potentially an inverse head and shoulders here, actually, like this, with the neckline like that. We've come up, got the breakout back up towards where we formed it. So overall, Polygon looking really good. Not much to say other than that. It's looking really strong, got a lot of demand in these key areas of support, and now that we're getting the bounce in the market, we are seeing Polygon have a nice little run up. So provided that Bitcoin behaves itself, we could easily see Polygon coming up towards the all-time high over the next few weeks, in our opinion, just coming up and making that next higher low in that trend that it's been in. So short-term price predictions, if we roll over here, we've obviously got this key area of structure, that 222 area, which was this previous swing high here. And then beyond that, obviously, we'd say realistically, if we rolled over, we'd come back down to the trend line and get the really big bounce in that area because it's been holding really nice as support, hasn't it? And then heading to the upside, we want to be getting back up inside of this range that we have been talking about here. Obviously, getting back to the top of the range would be lovely, back at that previous all-time high of 270, and then obviously that towards that $3 level would be our short-term price target. And then beyond that, as we've always said, $5 to $10 we do think looking very, very likely now. It's only like, what is it? It's a 4x from the current price, and we do think that's very, very possible, you know, considering what we've seen for Polygon previously. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.